Hello, Advocacy, and this is
Tavia, Lawson.
Today I'm gonna be answering a couple questions on disability awareness.
Yes. So, we're doing a parent training on how to advocate for your child, and today I'm going to ask Christopher some questions to help guide us. Our first question that families would like to know is, what does self-advocacy mean to you?
Always self-advocate. Parents tell your student to advocate for themselves, because at the end of the day, they're the ones who need help. Sometimes parents are not gonna be there always to support their child, and I know it's kind of hard to understand it. At some point, you're gonna have to let the student do it by themselves, because you're not always gonna be there at the end of the day. So
Yes, that's so important, because sometimes as parents, well, I'm speaking for myself, you always want to do things for your children, but it's also important for them to speak up for themselves, because one day I won't be here for my son, and he will have to know how to speak up and advocate for himself.
yes, I learned that at a very young age. For me, when I was in grade school, I would always come to my mom and say, this student needs help. Ever since through middle school and high school, I learned more and more to advocate for myself. So make sure if your students are young, make sure you teach them at a young age, please, because it's really gonna benefit them in the future, and it's gonna make them feel comfortable.
Yes, and probably really confident too, and proud of themselves.
Yeah.
At what age and in what ways were you successful advocating for yourself and peers? I kind of think about when you were with the football team. I think you mentioned that you self-advocated for yourself with football.
Yes. So I was kind of lost, and I didn't know what to do with my high school experience. One day I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go and see what they tell me. So I go in. I am very nervous, but very confident at the same time. And I said, Coach, can I be a part of the football team? He said, yes, but like you need to ask your mom first. So I'm like, all right. So
That's good he told you to ask for permission.
yeah. Then I came home. I asked my mom and dad, hey, can I be a part of the football team? At first, they thought I was crazy. Then so gonna be team manager, and then my parents said, okay, whatever you want, we're here for you. the biggest key takeaway from that is always support your child, always be involved. I know it's scary sometimes, but it's life. We all grow up at some point, and at some point we need to let our kids chase their dreams and be involved with their passion. And my passion has always been sports and football.
That's cool, and a lot of great wisdom. Then my last question is, what tips do you have for parents and students? I think you kind of already talked about the tips for parents, but what about students? What do you feel they should know?
Don't limit yourself, because if you want something, go get it. Go get it. I know it's scary for your kids, but don't be scared. It's life. Chase after your dreams, no matter what it is, no matter what obstacle. Just know that whatever you want to do, I guarantee you, your parents are gonna be very supportive, but you always need a game plan on how to go about it. So yeah, that's my tip for kids.
That's awesome. Yeah, it is important to have a game plan, like goals to set, and for students to believe in themselves. I love it. Where would you like to see the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act go in the next 50 years?
I would like to see more money being funded, because there's a lot of programs that our people are talking about. We can't seem to get the funds in the next 50 years. I would like to see more funding and more programs for other people like me, because I think it's gonna really benefit the kids in the long run. They got something to look forward to.
Thank you. You've committed yourself to become an advocate for students with disabilities. Could you please share why that's important to you?
I see everyone needs help at some point. I wanted to try and point them in the right direction. I see every student has a purpose in the special needs community. They just need guidance and help. And I always had pride to help individuals with special needs. First of all, I do this because I love helping people, and I want to see people succeed. If someone needs help, I'm gonna point them in the right direction. Even though I might not know the answer, I'm gonna point them to the right people.
That's awesome. With myself, I like to help families that don't know where to turn and go, just like you like to help students.
Yeah. It's really gonna benefit your child at the end of the day.
That's right. And even future generations too,
Yeah.
as we help each other.
There's always room for everyone to grow. You always say like I'm always learning something.
Oh, yeah, I'm always learning something new, which is awesome.
Yeah.
Never a boring day. Thank you for answering all my questions. I appreciate it.
No worries. I'm Chris.
And I'm Tavia.
Alright. Bye guys.
Bye.